Hey guys, Stephen Hamby again with Dent Hogs Paintless Dent Repair. Today in the shop we're working on another motorcycle tank. We've got a black Harley Davidson here with two dents on the right hand side that we're going to be repairing with Paintless Dent Repair. But the overall tank is just in bad shape. It's got some scuffs, swirls, minor scratches, pretty much all around it. So we're also going to be doing a paint correction on this where we go around and buff and polish this entire tank to get it back to its nice showroom shine. Now we've got our PDR light set up to begin repairing those two dents. We are going to take one of our rods inside the tank, leveraging on the back side of the metal, and slowly reshape those dents back out using that light as a gauge. Now we're tapping down crowns around the perimeter of the dent to kind of relax that metal, and we've got a heat gun set up off camera, keeping the paint nice and warm. That keeps it from cracking during the repair. Once we've completely removed those dents, we're going to go around and do our polish and get this tank shined up, and we'll show you the finished results at the end. So we finished the repair, we got the dents removed, and we've polished out the tank. You can already tell a major difference just by looking at how shiny and glossy that looks. No more swirls, scratches, or scuff marks on it, and those dents are completely gone. Now, I know some of you are gonna ask what kind of tool I used inside that tank. We've got some other videos on our channel showing the tools that we use, so if you were interested in checking that out, look at some of our other videos. But in the meantime, if you have a dent that you need looked at, you can find us at motorcycledents.com. Thanks for watching.